Okay, and we're back. And in this last video for this chapter, all we really need to do is go in and test to see if the collision between the projectile and the target does what we want it to do. So let's get to it. So theoretically everything's ready to go. So we'll just run and aim and left click to fire. Oop, a little higher. And there we go. And there we go. And well, that's making sense, looking good. Come in a little closer here. Oop. Okay, so it's kind of doing it. You may find that you hit right on the edge and it doesn't destroy the target, or that you barely miss and it does. So you have to watch out for those things, but all works good. Well, there it is. That's it for this chapter. We've actually come a long way. We've set up to fire projectiles. We set up such that when the projectile hits the target and the projectile go away. That's all good. We've got kind of the foundation for our shooter game here, but you know, it gets kind of boring after about 2 seconds. We find that probably the targets are pretty darn easy to hit just sitting out there, so maybe setting up something that makes the targets a little bit harder to hit one way or another. Some sound would be nice. Some sort of scorekeeping, keep track of how many targets we've hit, maybe how many projectiles we've fired, some sort of score, some sort of elapsed time, all kinds of different things that we can add embellishments to make the game work. We can also think about adding a screen to say welcome to the game, and another screen to say you won or you lost or whatever, depending upon what rules we decide to come up with to constitute winning or losing the game. So all those things can be added, and as a matter of fact, all those things will be added over the last few chapters that we still have to go. As I said before, this project is going to carry us all the way through the rest of the book, and we're going to add all those things, and then in the end we're going to have a finished game that we can deploy to a couple of different places. So that's it for this chapter, and we'll see you around the corner in the next one.